buying the normal one. Only the singles. The whole set of the Habit Seeds coming
And I
soon.
want this one. So
And
let's
I
open
want CC. So let's open it.
I want the blue one.
I want CC so bad. Like, it's so cute. Like, the eyes, like, hello. Packaging is so cute.
Let me open it.
I got the blue one. I got the blue one. The blue one is so soft. I'm Hee.
I have Baba.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Now we're opening the exciting macaron. We're hoping for the secret one, but we already have all of them. We got green grape. I'll show you guys the sticker.